Hello everyone, welcome back to MG Factor. Today we will see how we can stop mice infestation in our home. Dealing with mice can be a common household challenge, but there are effective, eco-friendly solutions that you can try. We are in Home Depot today to look into some of the products that are available. Most of the products that I see here are traps and other chemicals that can kill rat and mice or any kind of a rodent. Mothball is good, but it doesn't work as effective as any other product which I will reveal in this video later on. So the one product which is natural, which I see here in Home Depot shelf, is the Victor, which is natural and contain peppermint oil. This is not a paid promotion, but just happened to be there in Home Depot. Give it a thumbs up if you like the content. It helps the channel to grow. Peppermint oil is believed to be a natural deterrent for mice due to its strong scent, which is pleasant to humans but overwhelming and irritating to rodents. Peppermint oil has a strong and distinctive scent that mice find offensive. The potent aroma can disrupt the rodent's sense of smell, making the environment less attractive. Mice rely heavily on their sense of smell for navigation and communication. Now check out the product. First step is preventing mice infestation is to seal off potential entry points. Mice can squeeze through tiny openings, so inspect your home for cracks, gaps and holes. You can use steel, wool, chalk or expanding foam to seal these entryways, especially around your doors and windows. Let me show you a product which I have been using for almost 2 years now, and it has shown a great result. This product is US farmed peppermint, so eventually you support your local farms as well. And this has been very effective. It's a natural way of repelling mice or any kind of a rodent for that matter. So you can use it around people, pets, indoor, outdoor. It has got a concentration of 50% peppermint oil. So it has got a very strong smell. You can use it in home, in your auto. That's again an area wherein the mice love to be, right? So you can get rid of your mice in auto as well, in your cars. You can use it in your barn or shed. Another way is that you can make a kind of a spray to dilute the solution. You can add 1 ounce of concentrate within 15 ounces of water, and you can spray around the periphery of the home. None of this product has been sponsored, but I had a great experience with these products, so I thought to share my experience with. As per the manufacturer, this product contains strong concentration of high-grade peppermint oil. So people, those who have dislike for strong scent, may be sensitive to the smell. So just be mindful about that. Later in the video, I will go to the shed and show you how we can use this product. I have been using this throughout the year. It has shown a great result. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.